I've used this sealant tape on both my RV and my boat. Let me tell you, it works. I sealed open seams on a single ply roof and even patched interior gaps inside my boat's cabin. At 4 inches wide and 50-foot long, it provides plenty of coverage for big repairs, no leaks, no lifting, just a solid watertight seal that holds up over time. Whether you're patching a roof or filling a tricky seam, this tape gets the job done. This tape was made to handle the elements. It's waterproof, UV resistant, and built with butyl rubber adhesive, so it sticks and stays stuck. Rain, sun, wind, or snow, once it's down, it's not coming up. I've used it on flat and curved surfaces, and it conforms perfectly. Great for RV roofs, camper windows, boat seams, and more. It's a go-to for anyone who needs professional grade sealing without the mess of caulk or glue. Using MOGOFE tape is as simple as it gets. Clean the surface, cut the size, peel the backing, and press it down. No extra adhesives needed. It works on everything from metal and vinyl to rubber and wood, even EPDM and TPO roofing. Whether you're sealing up a roof seam, fixing a trailer leak, or reinforcing windows and doors, this tape gives you a permanent, flexible seal that lasts. One roll, endless repairs, just like I've done on my own RV and boat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye now.